One of the most neglected tasks around the home is cleaning gutters, because you either have to get a ladder or get on the roof itself to really clean those gutters.
You'd think so, Danny, but here's a way I found of cleaning gutters without using a ladder or climbing on the roof. You can do the whole job safely just from the ground. What I fabricated here was a little gutter sprayer using some PVC pipe. What I did is I took a length of half-inch pipe and I cut a couple of short sections and used elbows and some PVC cement to form this U-shaped section.
And I see you drilled a few holes there in the cap.
Yeah, there's just a solid cap. I again glued on with the cement and drilled 3 1/8-inch diameter holes.
Okay.
Take a look at this end of the pipe where I hooked it up to the hose. I just, again, bought a threaded fitting and used the cement to stick it onto the pipe. And then I got a little shutoff valve so I can turn the water on and off from here instead of running back to the house.
Yeah, that's great. Now this is kind of set up for a lower roof like this,
Yeah,
but I guess
only
you
about
could.
8 foot
I
or
guess
so.
you could really use the same principle for a 2-story house.
Yeah, I would just buy another length of pipe. This comes in 10-foot lengths.
Okay.
And you use a little coupling, glue on another length of pipe. You could easily reach second-story roof.
But now, what about the pressure with just 3 small holes? Is that enough pressure really to do any job?
You'd be surprised. Stand back. I'll show you. I'll turn this on, and you get quite a bit of pressure. Here we go. And all you need to do is hook it into the gutter, turn it on, and then slowly move your way down the gutter to spray off all the dirt.